decided to get into the exercise to prepare for the New Year's, whatever's bringing for us. So we got this little thing here. What from the warehouse? Oh, it's little kitchen gadgets. And we bought it eventually over here. Now from there, straight down, all the way down to over here. Took me almost half an hour to 1 hour to get it done. Then we had the legs as well. It wasn't too difficult, but it's got it eventually. These things were a menace to get on. Honestly, it was a big car. This way. This thing can actually go 2 ways, by the way. But yeah, all final connections. Ready to rock and roll, boys.